Halligan.
Good to see you. Come on.
Absolutely.
Bring it here. Unbelievable. So talk to me about this specific car. When was it brought in? What did it look like then? I mean, I see what it looks like now. What was the whole process like? Well, and you have been doing this for close to 50 years.
Oh my gosh,
right?
You're dating
and you
me.
are a professional. So not everybody can just come in here or just go into their garage at home and do what you've done here. And the car care industry is just blowing up. Isn't it huge?
Oh my gosh, it's come a long way.
Yeah, you've come a long way, baby. How exciting is it though for you to see all the advancements? You were there kind of in the beginning and here you are now seeing how far it's come. So what a lot of people may not know is that we've been working together since 2008.
Isn't that wild?
So it's been a long time, right?
Yeah.
I kind of thought maybe you'd be getting close to retirement, but no, how come?
Obviously you see how beautiful they are.
Well, and shiny. I mean, look at this. May I touch it? Is that allowed?
Go ahead,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
That's it. Look at you, you still remember that.
How does it feel so soft?
It's
like a baby's bottom.
Yeah, it's like
Now you mentioned paint protection and paint correction. Could you explain the difference between the two?
Great question.
You mentioned UV rays. How many people, especially out here in California, are not parking in their garages anymore because they've turned them into some sort of a bonus room, a hangout room, or just a storage space,
yeah.
right? So you really need that protection for your car.
Absolutely.
So the car looks absolutely gorgeous. But it didn't just wake up this way, right? You put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this. Talk to me about that. So my dad, for many, many years, his hobby was working on cars. That's something he loved doing on the weekends. But you can actually turn that hobby, that love of cars, into a career.
A small package with a lot of impact.
That's what I was going to ask, because it is a pretty tiny bottle, but a little goes a long way.
Yeah, it goes a long way.
Let me ask you this. Why is Revivify so much better than its competitors? Or are there any competitors really?
Well, not really.
And you are all over the place, right? You've got videos and you answer all these very important questions and you've got photos and everything. Can you tell everybody out there how they can reach you and get more information on Revivify? Talk to the main man himself. And no matter where they are, they could be in a small town in Iowa, Arkansas, there might be someone close by who can help them. And you just talked about the budget. Not everybody owns a $250,000 car, right? I wish I did, but I do not. So this is for other cars too. You don't have to be a collector. You don't have to be someone who brings your cars to competitions, to various car shows across the country. From basic auto detailing to high-end correction, today we're going to be discovering what it means to make these vehicles cosmetically correct. And ladies, we are not talking about lipstick or eyeliner. We have just spent the last few days with industry leader Mel Craig, learning not only how to turn these cars into the true showpieces that they are, but also about the chance to take the training and turn your new or existing business into a car care career. I'm Lynda Halligan. Thanks for joining us.